Hey everyone, we're here at the Saladmaster office today in London, Kentucky. We're going to demonstrate a lasagna for you. We will be using a limited edition mega skillet that you see here. And this holds about 7 quarts of food. It tells you that right on the side of the pan if it's a limited edition and the quart size as well. It's a totally awesome pan for meats such as steaks, hamburgers, roast. You could do meatloaf if you wanted to, any type of a dinner meat that you prefer. This is also a casserole pan if you wanted to do casseroles. Totally awesome for your casserole cooking. And you can even do meat/vegetables at the same time, such as chicken and potatoes or pork chop and potatoes or roast and veggies. So you're unlimited to what you can actually do in it. And it will hold 7 quarts of soup if you prefer. And you can even do cobbler, cakes, anything that you would bake in the oven can be baked on top of the stove using the Saladmaster product. So we have layered up, we're using a 6-ingredient lasagna. Everything that we do is simple, easy, a short list of ingredients. And if you really like that idea, short ingredients to make some really hard, healthy, delicious food, all you got to do is just subscribe, comment below, hit the notification bell so that every time we go live, you'll be able to catch the video. So we have done 2 layers. And the first thing that we put on the bottom is some chunky style ragu garden spaghetti sauce. Of course, if you don't have chunky style, you can use whatever you prefer. We've also put hamburger meat on there. We put some cottage cheese on it. We've done a no-bake noodle because that cooks a lot quicker. And as long as you've got that no-bake noodle with some sauce on it, you're in perfect shape to where the noodle won't be a little tough or hard or what have you. So we've just layered it up. We're cooking this on number 3 on our stove. You never want your stove burner to be red, so just start out on about 3, 3.5, somewhere right around there. And we're going to have a 15-inch 7-quart size skillet full of lasagna today. We are doing an Italian night at our free cooking school here. Again, we're located in London, Kentucky, and if you would like to sit in and see some Saladmaster hard, healthy recipes frozen to finish in 30 minutes or less, you're welcome to just give us a call or drop a comment in the section below and we'll be happy to give you a call or reach out to you. Another thing that we're doing, this is a copy of our lasagna that we're doing for you. Hope you guys can catch that. And if you prefer vegetarian, you can just leave out the meat and you can add zucchini and squash and make a wonderful vegetarian lasagna. Another piece that we're going to be promoting and showing to our class this evening, this is a this is a 5-quart cooker, and it is a crock pot. It has a rice setting built right in it. So if you love rice with your food, all you've got to do is put 3 cups of rice, 4.5 cups of water, set the rice setting, and you're ready to go. If you love seafood, this little basket is designed to drop down into your pan, and you can do soups and stews and lobster and anything that you would want to actually cook. And when it's finished, you just lift it out, take it over for table serving, and you're just ready to throw it in the dishwasher for the easy cleanup. Again, we are using Saladmaster products, and they have a lifetime warranty on them. They will last you for a lifetime. So if you have any questions, again, just drop it in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel if you like the video, to where that keeps us making more videos. And we've also got several other ones on there as well. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.